Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to center text in a revolution slider. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open slider revolution and here's my slider, and if I show you the preview of the slider, here we can see the text is in left side. So we are going to see how to make this text center. So first of all, open the editor. So first of all, select the text and click on size and POS, post mean position. So click here, and here you can see the alignment option. So I'm clicking on this. The text is now in center from horizontally, and if you want to make the text center from vertically, click here, and that's it. Then click on save. And now if I show you the preview, so here you can see the text now is in center. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.